Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable dial assist on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the settings. Next, we scroll down and then tap on phone. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the dial assist toggle button. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now, I said that dial assist automatically determines the correct international or local prefix when dialing. And that's it. So here, when you open up your phone application and you want to make a phone call, then the phone will attempt to automatically use the correct prefix to make an international call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.